2016 Hyundai Sonata. The Sonata has a long list of technologically advanced interior features and options that make driving safer, more convenient, and much more fun. Don't forget the exterior corrosion protection, a 14-step roto-dip system that provides unmatched protection for your Sonata. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.